Hey, this is Shay, and I want to show you a $250 plus per day campaign. This is a recent campaign that I just showed my students, but I thought since you clicked on this video to learn how to make money online, I want to show you as well. I want to show you that it's still possible. If you know what you are doing, it's possible. You can start new campaigns every single day if you want to. And you know what? If you don't know how to do that, then you need to follow someone who does know. And that's exactly what myself and my team are here to help you with. So let me just quickly show you the network that I'm using to run this campaign I just recently started. Alright, so it's on today. I just want to go back when I started it. And I started it late on the 8th. Okay, so the 8th of May. I'm just going to run that. And as you can see, these two campaigns right here, I'm highlighting back and forth. Alright, these are the main campaigns. These are just some side campaigns that usually just take on some international traffic. There's a lot of little details here that if you don't know, if you don't understand, that's okay. And that's what I'm here to help you with. But everything I'm talking about here, there's no magic wizardry or anything like that going on. Alright, this is all just knowledge put into action because after many years of doing this, I just know what to do. And that's really what this is about. But I just I'll open up these campaigns actually so we can see the days individually. Alright, so this campaign is a really cool campaign. It's special and unique because also I'm getting paid for clicks. And this is something that not many people even still know about today. People just don't take advantage of it. Because as you can see, on the 9th, okay, so just 2 days ago, not even $2.03 per click. Alright, and the same campaign. What happens is here, by the way, if you're not understanding these two campaigns, when my traffic comes through the system, alright, it's split to multiple offers and even more than what you are seeing here. But this is just one network and these are two top offers that I've decided to stick to running for a little bit longer for now because they are performing the best. And let me just make that a little obvious, more obvious as well. As you can see, this campaign highlighted here in the red, it got 343 clicks. Alright, so it got an average or an earnings per click of $1.05 average. Alright, and made $358 over the last 3 days. And just to make something else even more clear, I didn't start the campaign right at the start of the 8th, and we are barely halfway through today. Alright, so which is the 11th. Alright, so again, this campaign here, 343 clicks. And of course, sales is just clicks and 100% conversion rate because I'm getting paid for the clicks. Okay, there's no sales, no leads or anything else generated. It's just clicks. So again, that campaign, 343 clicks, $358.94. This one, 276 clicks, $295.04 made. Alright, if we look at this campaign down here, the reason why I was saying I stuck with these two campaigns highlighted in the reddish kind of color here is because they stood out above others. And you could take this one for example. See, this one here has 328 clicks and we have $43.96 made. So, obviously it's a fair way off these two, 295 and 358 combined, but individually those campaigns, 300, 295, almost another 300 compared to $43. This campaign's just not working as good. This is all normal stuff, but I really enjoy showing my students and new people this kind of stuff because it really proves that new campaigns are possible if you know what you're doing. You can start one right now. And I want to show you how to do it. All you have to do is take action. Click the link in the description right now so you can get over to my site. Just check out the description at the top. Right at the top of the description, you'll see a link. Okay, it'll most likely be a bit.ly link, just a quick link so you can get over to my site. Click that link and I'll go to my site right now as well. Just going to go over there. So here's my site. As soon as you land on the site here, all you have to do is just enter your best email address, your best email, so I can give you instant access to this campaign and everything else I'm doing and showing my students right now. Let's get you either making your first dollar online, let's get you making $50 a day online, $100 a day, $500 a day, even more than that. Let's get you to that next level. So again, if you haven't already, just click the link at the top of the description, do it now, enter your best email address on my site right here, click the button, click the instant access button, and look out for my welcome email as soon as you enter in your email address, okay? Check out that. I'm going to give you some awesome stuff that you can check out right now. So do it now, take action right now, and I'll work with you in just a minute.